I fear that many people come to visit Dominican Republic without really exploring it. In this video I will show you that there is so much more to this beautiful island than just all-inclusive resorts.
First of all, let me introduce you to the crew, starting with Albert.
Taxi!
Another team member, Tyler.
Tyler from the US.
Bobby, who refuses to talk to the camera. Thank you, Bobby.
Our adventure begins here in Cabarete, a kitesurfing capital of the island. From here, we'll ride our motorbikes around the peninsula of Samaná and then up through the highest mountains of the Caribbean.
Right guys, we are at another awesome location, Laguna El Dudo, and Tyler is about to do something pretty exciting. Check this out. Yeah, boy! Woo! Alright, is it straight?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it, huh?
Bye bye. Whoa!
That was really fun.
But no, it's not for the distance. Really, it's just because I have to do that. And I have pain here.
Albert looking for any excuse that's available to him.
I don't want to do that,
But you will.
give me 5 minutes.
5 minutes, we'll give him 5 minutes.
I have to think about.
We'll give him 5 minutes.
Yeah. Okay.
Whoa!
I'm dead! I'm dead!
I'm dead. I'm dead. Are you dead too?
Still alive!
Good news. Another cool thing you can do here in the lagoon is go for a dive. The deepest point is 25 meters, I believe. Right? 25 meters. So it makes a pretty good, decent diving location. And look at my buddy Tyler right there. So the entrance fee to this resort is 150 pesos, which is $3 US. And you also pay 25 pesos for each zipline jump, which is about 50 cents. So it's pretty cheap, it's really cheap. Moreover, you can jump from the cliff and that's totally free. So I strongly recommend doing that because it's super fun, the water is very deep, really fun place, I had lots of fun. I think that the best way to explore the country is just by getting out of the touristy towns and hitting the road. On the motorbike, I think it's actually the best way. And also visiting local places, authentic places for lunch is also a great way to get to know the local people. When you speak a little bit of Spanish, it definitely helps. You can have a conversation with the locals and get to know them. Alright guys, but let's not waste any more time and go hit the road. We're going for Las Terrenas.
Muchas gracias!
We didn't have to wait long for the roads to get epic. Just before arriving in Las Terrenas, the road turned nice and curvy and the views became breathtaking.
The second day of our road trip We are leaving Las Terrenas. We spent here yesterday evening and we stayed overnight. And we are going to explore the rest of the peninsula today. We're going to do a quick stop at the town of Samaná and then we're going to make our way to Las Galeras. Should be fun, and they say it's one of the most beautiful regions in Dominican Republic, and we're going to do it on our motorbike, so it's going to be incredible.
We decided to spend the next day on one of the most beautiful beaches in Dominican Republic.
So here we are, Playa Rincon. It's unbelievable. And it's Saturday and it's not really busy. The only people you get here is the locals. I guess they're just enjoying the weekend. It was so fun. What we did, we had first of all we had a bath in the little river.
They say into your early life romance came and it came.
And then we had a little race with the locals.
And it came and it came and it came and it came.
Just an amazing place, just to, just to relax, sit down. There's a restaurant if you're hungry. You can have something to eat, fresh coconut. True paradise, guys.
And it
It was getting quite late and we still wanted to make it to one very interesting place located close to Las Galeras. If you're feeling adventurous, you can jump off that cliff, but I felt more like having a drink while trying to spot a whale in the ocean. On our last day before heading down to the mountains, we decided to cool down at the local waterfall.
On the horse is really steep. The trail to the waterfall is very steep, and I have no idea how, but the horse actually is doing pretty well. I'm feeling sorry for the horse, to be honest. I'm quite heavy and I've got a backpack as well. So you can also get to the waterfall by trekking. but it takes about 40-45 minutes, you know, and it's obviously more exhausting than just sitting on the horse. But that's an option. Well done, well done.
Did you see something strange in my horse?
Here we're leaving our horses and we're gonna walk to the waterfall. So after 20 minutes of horseback riding and probably 10-15 minutes of trekking, we've finally arrived. I present you El Limón. Looking good. We are heading towards the mountains.
In the next video, we'll be going through the most challenging roads in Dominican Republic with unforgettable views. Unfortunately, it won't go as smooth as planned. Subscribe to my channel now so you don't miss it. Have you been to a similar adventure or are you thinking about going on one? Leave me a comment down below and share your thoughts.
Go!